Guys, good morning! Merry Christmas sa atin lahat. Katatapos ko lang maglinis ng refrigerator. So, it need more. Yan, nalamanan na yung refrigerator ng aking hobbies. Ano-ano ang mga laman? He is 100% vegan. So, all food here is vegan. Okay? So, let's see here. Purple carrot plant-based meatballs, veggie medley nuggets plant-based too. Here is the all protein. This is all plant-based protein. Let's say we have some all the sweet peas. Yun naman ang mga plant-based niya. Yun naman ang mga ano niya. So yan ang kanyang laman ng kanyang refrigerator. So sa kasalukuyan, yan. So, it's Christmas. Magpiprepare ako ng special food para sa kanya. So, guys, ito yung mga vegetable. Ano ang mga vegetable na nasa refrigerator namin? Organic mixed baby kale. The same lang sila, guys. Cauliflower, kale, the big kale. And we have also some shredded organic carrots. So, all of that, no junking. So, we have also some of this, like that, organic baby kale. This one, he has some corn. Nako, ganyan yung mga ano ng aking hanis. So, we have some broccoli. Broccoli, yung mga fruits niya. Yan. Tapos, yung kanyang mga milk. So, ang milk na ginagamit ng aking hobby is Milkademia. Everything is a little bit pricey, especially this one, because this is made from macadamia. You know, macadamia in general is very expensive. Okay, blueberry, of course. This one, blueberry, and what else? So, pang madalian, guys, we have some Hamos, organic Hamos. And he has also this is a guacamole organic. So, everything is organic. So, oh my goodness. So, ayan. Pang room yung kanyang refrigerator. Anyway, this is a new refrigerator, Maytag. Actually, this is not really new. It's new to come here. This is from my mother-in-law. So, and this time naman, dito naman tayo sa mga refrigerator namin, ng mga anak ko at ako. Separate lang siya, guys, kasi para hindi malilito. So, this time, nako, I very na-obsess ako sa mga cheese. So, yun ang aking honey. Actually, hindi naman ako palakain ng cheese, pero when I try this Chivri honey, a goat's milk cheese. Ooh, this is so delicious, guys. Very delicious. So, I got 4 of this. This one. And this one. Also, this is a blueberry vanilla chivri fresh good cheese. Wow, this is very good, guys. Very delicious. So, it's holiday. My goodness. So, thank you for my husband. So, everything is there. Nandito yung mga hard cheese. Gagawa sana kami ng muron, guys. Kaso, wala pa kaming maano. So, here we go. That one over there. So, that's mga dairy. Siya ng okay. So, ito yung atin freezer. Actually, malalaking to eh. So, nakikita natin, guys, hindi kami nag-i-stock ng mga soft drinks, no soda here in our house. So, kasi bawal uminom ng soda yung mga anak. Wild tonic, blueberry, and basil. So, this is my treat for myself.